Toobit just released an institutional-grade AI analysis tool with direct market access, available to every single trader on the platform, and most of us don't even know it exists. It's called Synapse. Powered by MCP, it lets you chat with an AI to analyze the market, build strategies, and make trading decisions, all in one place, all in seconds. Now, I've been trading crypto for years, and I can tell you, the amount of time I've wasted staring at charts, reading through noise, trying to figure out what the market is actually doing, it adds up. And Synapse is basically the answer to all of that. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Toobit Synapse is, how to find it, how to use it step by step, and what's coming next. Let's get started. But before we get into it, if you haven't signed up on Toobit yet, this is the best time to do it. Using the link in the description, you can get up to $8,810 in rewards, plus exclusive VIP bonuses only available through my link. Just by registering, you get a $30 futures bonus and VIP 1 for a month. On top of that, there's a deposit milestone challenge where you can unlock up to 750 USDT and a trading challenge worth up to 150 USDT. All of these stack. The link is in the description. Click it, sign up, and let's get into Synapse. So first, what actually is Synapse? Toobit Synapse is an AI-powered assistant designed to be your personal co-pilot in the crypto market. Think of it like having a professional analyst sitting next to you 24/7, except it never sleeps, never gets emotional, and it processes data way faster than any human ever could. It's powered by Claude, one of the world's most advanced AI models, and it uses something called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, to pull in real-time market data. That's what makes it different from just asking ChatGPT about Bitcoin. Synapse has actual live market access. It's not guessing. It's reading the market right now. And here's what it actually does for you. It automates complex market research and generates strategies. So you can make faster, more informed decisions without spending hours doing the analysis yourself. It decodes market noise. Instead of drowning in data, you get simple, real-time answers about trends and signals. What's happening, why it's happening, and what to do about it. As well, it gives you access to comprehensive AI-generated strategies that are ready to implement. You don't need a team of quants to trade like one. One click and you've got a full breakdown. Now, keep in mind, there's also a next phase coming. Features like a 24/7 AI market watchdog that monitors the market for you around the clock and sends instant alerts when the right opportunity shows up. And automated order management with smart rules to protect your profits and cut your losses. That's all coming soon. But what's available right now is already incredibly powerful. So let's get into it. And by the way, I'm going to show you something at the end of this video that I think is going to completely change how you approach trading with AI. So stay with me until the end. All right, so let's actually find Synapse on the platform. It's very simple. Once you're logged into your Toobit account, go to the top navigation bar, click on Trade, and from the drop-down, you'll see Toobit Synapse. Just click on it. You'll land on the Synapse page, and right away you can see exactly what it does. 3 things. It acts as your personal analyst. No more long hours with endless charts. Synapse automates the analysis and generates strategies for you. Next is that it speaks to the signals. Instead of drowning in data, you get simple real-time answers about market trends. Noise turn into actionable insights, and it gives you access to top strategies. You don't need a team of quants to trade like one. Comprehensive AI-generated strategies ready with a single click. And as of right now, you can get institutional-grade AI analysis for the major coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Doge. All right, let's actually use it. Step by step. Step 1, select the cryptocurrency you want to analyze. You'll see the options right there: Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, Doge. Just click on whichever pair you want to get an analysis on. Step 2, once you've selected your pair, click on Try Toobit Synapse. And then, this is where it gets interesting. A chat window will appear. It connects to the MCP servers, and within seconds, you will get a detailed AI analysis overview generated by Synapse. Now, this is not a simple chatbot response. This is a structured professional-grade report. Let me walk you through what you're actually looking at. You've got the executive summary right at the top, a clean overview of where the asset stands right now. Then the price action overview, what the price has been doing, key movements and context. Then technical analysis patterns, this is where it gets deep. Synapse identifies chart patterns, trend structures, and signals that would normally take you a long time to map out manually. Then, volume analysis, because price without volume is incomplete. Synapse reads both. Then, market sentiment assessment. This is where the MCP really shines. It's pulling in not just price data, but sentiment signals from news feeds and social data. Then, key levels, your support and resistance zones clearly laid out. And finally, the conclusion, a clear, actionable summary of what all of this means for your trade. All of that, in one simple page, in seconds. And once you have the report, you can copy it or share it directly, right from the chat window. Now, just a full disclosure here. AI analysis is for reference only and does not constitute investment advice. Cryptocurrency investments carry very high risk. Please invest cautiously and manage your risks appropriately. Look, I want to take a second here because I think it's easy to scroll past something like this and not really appreciate what it is. Most retail traders are making decisions based on incomplete information, emotional reactions, or just copying what someone else said on Twitter. And the traders who are consistently profitable, they have systems, they have data, they have analysis. Synapse is basically giving every single trader on Toobit access to that same level of analysis, the kind that used to require either a Bloomberg terminal or a team of analysts. And it's built directly into the exchange you're already using. On top of that, because it's powered by MCP and Claude, it's not just pulling static data, it's reading the live market. That's a very big deal. So if you're not using this, you're leaving an edge on the table. It's that simple. All right, and look, for the next few years, two kinds of traders will exist. The ones using AI and the ones still doing everything manually. Same market, very different outcomes. Here's how you get on the right side of that. I have put together everything inside the AI Trade Edge community. Every prompt, every bot, every template, every step-by-step guide I personally use, all in one place. And everything I build going forward gets added straight into the group the moment it drops. We are also testing strategies from all over the internet, automating them using PineScript, running them live, and sharing exactly what works and what does not. So you are not just getting tools. You are getting a live research operation. Inside, there is also a full agentic trading course, 2.5 hours, beginner to expert. No coding background needed. By the end of it, you will have your own AI trading system running live, something most retail traders do not even know is possible right now. $79.99 a month. One good trade covers it. And the first 100 members lock in that rate permanently. After that, the price goes up. The link is in the description. You genuinely cannot afford to miss this. And that is it. Institutional grade analysis, now available at your fingertips. And look, if you're not on Toobit yet, you're genuinely leaving free money on the table right now. The link is in the description. $8,810 in potential rewards, $30 just for signing up, VIP one for a month. Deposit bonuses, trading bonuses, it all stacks. Takes 2 minutes to register and it's already worth it before you even place a trade. If you want to go even deeper and see how to actually trade on Toobit, deposits, futures, the full platform walkthrough, I have got a video for that too. Check it out on screen right now. And if you want the full step-by-step guide on how to build your own agentic trading system using Claude, that video is popping up on screen as well. Go and check that out next. If this video was helpful, leave a like. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. I'm going to be covering every new feature Toobit drops as it comes out. And I'll see you in the next one.